Welcome to your new home. All-electric 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome in Settlers Landing in Concord. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, crown molding and open floor plan. Front-end loading washer and dryer included in monthly rent. Convenient location and close to highways, shopping and restaurants. Pets are conditional and must be approved/screened, and a minimum $350 non-refundable pet fee required. No smoking. Tenant is responsible for any and all utilities including water, power, cable and internet. We do not accept Section 8/HUD VASH/HUD vouchers on this property.